Welcome to Indigo Preserve, a vibrant new community in the heart of Leland, where comfort, connection, and convenience come together seamlessly. Perfectly positioned in Leland, you're just minutes from the shopping and dining at the villages at Brunswick Forest, a short drive to the charm of downtown Wilmington, and close to the beaches of Southport and Oak Island. Indigo Preserve brings neighbors together with amenities made for everyday enjoyment, including a resort-style pool, open-air pavilion, fitness trails, a fire pit, a playground, and so much more. Whether you're looking for a townhome, a duet, or a single-family home, we have something for everyone. With 14 thoughtfully designed floor plans, Indigo Preserve offers flexibility and function in every home. Come discover your future at Indigo Preserve, a place where your next chapter begins.